I want to also announce a good news to you, with you. In our Guangzhou factory, we now have already deployed all of these humanoid robots in our Guangzhou factories to help assemble and manufacture some of our PC7. Allow me to share a video of these humanoid robots working in our factory. I mean, even for basic things like walking around, I would say that no real companies now can do perfect walking in their products in the market right now. And now I have two videos here side by side. You can see Aaron is walking around. Um, Now, typically, available products in the market, they can only to take small steps, because that's what they used to be capable of only. And also another disadvantage that it looks pretty awkward, right? It looks pretty awkward. It doesn't look like a human being walking around.